So what happens if there is no relationship at all? Okay, so we understood that, okay, since we are breaking the tables, right, from denormalization to normalization, there are multiple tables splitting across, and again we are trying to have a lookup, right? If we wanted to look up, we wanted to look up for that particular data. So what happens if there is no relationship, right? So let us simply so the cost, if you look at the screen, right, the screenshot, so the customer name is being showed here, the same data, and I'm trying to show the cost. There was a cost column, right? What is happening here is every value is same, like 6720, which is actually a total, but each person is Emily Brown or James. Everybody is having the same total value. Why is that? Because it doesn't know how to filter the data. So if, let's say, if go back and look into the demonstration, let's say I remove the relationship between my customers table and my sales table. Okay. So now there is no relationship between my customers table and sales table. Now I go to the report. I try to add my customer name column and try to add the cost. What happened? It doesn't know how to filter the data. Basically, it doesn't know how to filter the data between these two tables, right? It doesn't know how to filter the data. As and when you create this relationship, now it understands, okay, I need to filter this table, the sales table, via customer ID like this. That means, so let's say if you are talking about Emily Brown, right? So Emily Brown, if you look at the data, it's Emily Brown is ID 5. So now what it does is, okay, if I talk about Emily Brown, it looks for 5 ID and it'll say, okay, 5 ID has to be filtered in the 5. And whatever 5 ID here we have, right? It actually identifies that information and sums it up. If there are multiple 5 IDs, this 5 and this 5, it sums it up. And here the data shows up, right? You can see Emily Brown is 150 plus 150, 300, right? So it now understands how to filter the data between this table and that table. So unless or until you are not defining any relationships, it cannot filter. So basically the filter option or the join is trying to help you flow the direction of the filter so that it knows how to filter this table.